This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Cerise Noah. Wonderful home right in the heart of Bellingham, close to everything. The skylights make this home extra light and bright. 3-bed, 2.5 bath home has an open floor plan, great for entertaining. Enjoy the chef's kitchen. Carry the party out onto the timber-framed covered deck addition west/views. Newer laminate flooring looks great and is low maintenance. Freshly updated bathroom. New roof and gutters. New carpet and stainless appliances stay for the new owner. New hot water heater. Very private terraced fenced backyard. Enjoy your flower garden, fruit tree, and nature. Down the street is a trailhead and very close to Whatcom Falls Park and many more hiking and biking trails. A few minutes to Whole Foods, restaurants, and shopping downtown. For more information